gentlemen, welcome to Manchester Airport Terminal 2, where the local time is now 2:05 in the afternoon and the outside temperature is 12 degrees Celsius. For your own safety, please stay in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until we have reached the gate and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before you leave us today, please take a moment to collect all of your items from the seat pockets underneath the seat in front of you and from the overhead lockers. Please take care when opening the lockers, as things may have moved during the flight and could fall out. We now leave you the care of our ground staff. Here they are called Swissport, and they will assist you further should you need anything. Regarding your mobile phones, if you could just ask that these are kept in flight mode, as restrictions apply until you are inside the terminal building. Smoking restrictions will still apply until you are outside of the terminal. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard today. We'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Monarch. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, we would like to wish you all a safe forward journey. Thank you and good afternoon.